First, the top news headlines. Protest continues unabated in Manipur over mysterious death of baby Sona. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi features in Benjamin Netanyahu's election campaign in Israel. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Samandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Seva Club and Women Folk of Thongju Part 2 staged a sit-in protest against the mysterious death of baby Sana at Haizingang Supermarket, Kanchipur. The demonstrators held placards and some of them bring forward all culprits. We condemn the silence maintained by government and police. President of Women Wing Seva Club Thongju Part 2 Moirangthem Sabitri expressed discontentment over the government's failure to bring out the truth and circumstances surrounding the death of baby Sana. She also urged the government to deliver justice to the family of the deceased by uncovering the truth without delay.
Ako'y ngasi Seva Club ki amasung mayra paibi nupi lupsingna ako'y gi dharna asi phamjarabani dharna phammi basiga loina na ako'y na poster campaign amasu achenba gari sing habati passenger puba gari sing sidasu ako'y poster se thechari aduga hariba sarkar nasu langla langjin che puthopiduna asumba wahen phangjin phangan biu angang sigi maramda langla langjin khatang diwana khangan biu na ako'y ngasi ki protest ya tawjaban.
Ahead of an unprecedented snap poll on September 17, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's Likud party has put banners featuring his pictures with his Indian counterpart Narendra Modi, US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin to lure support by presenting him in a different league. The Likud party headquarters on Mejudat Jaif 38 King George Street in Tel Aviv was seen with election advertisement banners depicting Netanyahu's closeness with the three world leaders with Hebrew text on the top saying Netanyahu in a different league. Netanyahu's campaign has focused on bringing out his close chemistry with the world leaders and trying to project him as a leader of unmatched stature in Israeli politics with a crucial for the country's security. The Israeli Prime Minister will be visiting India on a day-long visit on September 9 to meet Modi just 8 days before the repeat polls in the Jewish state. Meanwhile, Delhi wage earners today staged a sit-in protest urging revocation of the ban on sand and stone quarrying imposed by the Manipur High Court. The protest was held in front of JNRUM Hall at Kakching Sumak Laikai. During the demonstration organized by Kha Maikai Apunba Sinmi Lop, the protesters chanted slogans by holding placards that read, "Withdraw ban on sand and stone quarry. We will not follow High Court orders." One of the protesters said that survival of the wage earner's family entirely depends on quarrying, which also provides education to their children. But the sudden ban ordered by the Manipur High Court has affected the life of the family's sea route. The protesters urged the High Court to lift the ban, keeping in mind the suffering of the wage earners. Imphal West Commando apprehended 3 cadres of prescribed KCP People's War Group along with weapons. The apprehended cadres were Mayang Lambam Dhanabir Maitei alias Awang alias Lanchenba age 40, son of late Mayang Lambam Nobin Maitei from Kiamgai Maning Laikai, Soibam Gobind Singh alias Ting age 44, son of Soibam Ibochao Singh from Hainobok Mamang Laikai, and Taurem Ranjit Maitei alias Naucha alias Jitain age 42, son of the late T. Kulachandra Maitei from Luang Sambam Matai Mayai Laikai. According to sources, following information that unlawful elements were active in Kiamgai Maning Laikai area, a team led by Deputy Superintendent Operations of Imphal West Amarjit Lamabam and Deputy Superintendent Commando Moirangthem Amit were able to nab Dhanabir Maitei. On questioning Dhanabir, the team also managed to nab Soibam Gobind Singh from Hainopok Mamang Laikai and Toren Ranjit Maitei from Nambol area. Police recovered 2.32 pistols, 4 magazines, 12 live rounds of .32 and 3 mobile phones, they said. Haurebi Awang Lekai Athletic Cultural Youth Organization and JAC against Ngango Road Development Committee have jointly organized a mass sit-in protest against the government's alleged indifference attitude towards dilapidated roads in Lilong constituency of Thoubal district. The body drew the attention of the state government and authority concerned to take steps and repair the roads and warned the failure of the demand will compel the organization to launch intense protest. Former councillor of Lilong Municipal Council, Thoubal, Mohammed Taj Khan, said a public meeting was held over the issue on July 24th and submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister N. Biren. A ban was also called on July 26 on National Highway 102. However, the strike was called off due to the case of Baby Sana's death. Now let's take a short break, but coming up, World Dance held at Manipur University. Do stay tuned.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Manipur University Department of Dance and Music organized World Dance Day at the Department Hall today. Government Dance College retired Principal Guru Ranjit Adhikari, Principal Limium Devenjit Sharma and retired Senior Artist Production Unit Guru and Amusana Devi were the main attendees of the function. MU Department of Dance and Music in charge C.S. Jashobanta said that instead of just learning the dance, it is time to make the dance form more advanced, just like other classical dances of the world. World Dance Day is a global celebration of dance created by the Dance Committee of International Theatre Institute, a partner of the Performing Arts Wing of UNESCO. Mau products will be sold at Kaisampat Lemajam Laikai Community Hall from July 30. Chairman of Coordination Committee Mau Market, Basi Mau, urged the people to come and purchase the goods, which will be brought in 15 to 20 DI Tata for sale.
Customers say, "Lagte, aduna moi se amuk bag tobra puchale. Aduna moi ki awab se government so amutang yembiu aduga moi ki koi somgi puthok se har kya haptabni aduna madugi moi ki vegetable mayam se somda koi tampak da mi laiba mi na so adu pamnai aduna hujiki moi ki puthok se Moiso haro harana purai adubo yon bangam duna amuk han base yemada yam nungaitre aduna mofam se achaba mofam khara phajaba sit kadaba mofam se bibiu haina akuna haininge.
Convener of Mau Market Committee Kuraijam Athoba appealed to the government to provide a market set for Mau in the capital, keeping in mind the inconveniences faced by the sellers. He also urged the public to enhance economic integrity and independency.
pot mapot than yauraba DI truck tara mangadagina kungumagi changda lakani hairo porase lambi asida tongan ba kanglup singna amadi tongan ba duty taramba police personnel singna disturb tobiba makoidagi khoi fine loba tax lona nabo hona bibagi khudong chadaba adumak mamangi thodok singda chu mayong nakiba leire hairo porasidi apunba manipurda khundaminer be purup singi yaifana naba chakhot minana nabagi damangta tawba khongthang amanina masidadi karigum makhalamtagi ayetpa apan mana chingba singase loop kanglup khuding magna amatam adugi apan baje pibidana hairiba maudai purakadoi gari singase masi tek the kaidana imphal yohola kanda imphal da lebidiba miyam da maugi pothok singase phangana no honabada mayam su mating pangbiu haidana appeal simaga tawjage.
General Secretary of Happy Life Foundation, Huidrom Suresh Kumar, stated that we can't lead a content life if we don't find satisfaction. Speaking on the second anniversary of the foundation held at Pambilok Children Amusement Park, Takhil, Suresh Kumar said that everyone in a society must help each other for development and peaceful coexistence.
Journey ni trip ni ngasi thengnari ba ngasi unari ba khoi pulli ba sumaina khoi amuk future phangida ba su yai aduga khoi life ta tungda kari warakata hai ba su akhoi na hojik jingma karim ta khoi khang banate adu ba taragadi sama sida leminari ba khoi singse amana amada khaji tang mating pangnaragadi khoi jam nungai na khoi punsi je lenmin na ba homin nagi ba yagani ha ba phangduda khoi ni Happy Life Foundation haina thonsi haidana member mayam manaraga adumaina lepcha khibani.
Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar has inaugurated a 10-bedded Ayush hospital at CMO Complex, Thoubal, Wangmataba today. Director of Directorate of Ayush, Dr. Pramila Devi, Chief Medical Officer of Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayantakumar Singh, and Member Secretary of State Ayush Society of Manipur, who is also the Additional Director of Directorate of Ayush, Dr. Y. Lukhoi Singh, were present at the inaugural function. Minister Jayantakumar said Ayush has become very effective. He added that under Medical Science of India, the board has proposed Ayush to be included in the new MBBS syllabus.
It is erroneous.
Staff members of National Health Mission Thoubal, nurses and ASA workers also attended the event jointly organized by Directorate of Ayush, Lamfelpat and State Ayush Society. A one-day free medical camp was jointly organized by Directorate of Ayush and State Ayush Society, Manipur, under the supervision of National Ayush Mission at Islamic Culture and Research Organization ICRO Hall, Lilong Makhalikai today. Homeopathic physician Dr. Iboton, Dr. B. Gitarani Devi and Unani physician Dr. Azima Begum attended the camp organized as a part of Public Health Outreach Activity PHOA. Medical Officer Dr. P. Iboton said side effects-free Ayush treatment has been providing to the public. He underlined the importance of conventional way of treatment through Ayush without side effects. It is utmost important for the young generations to stay healthy, hygienic and fit as they are the future of the society, and Ayush plays an important role in it. Altogether, 202 locals were treated at the camp and provided free medicines.
Director scheme Makada, Masilio, Horabi Makalikaida, Longeba, I was Benagi, and I was lying in Pamutri, Masida Maruina, I was system as Tongan, but lying Patapia, Homasida Latuna, Homasidi Mirka, lying tonight, the Kali without the city. Higher Poramasi, Kogi, in the time I was missing Makaleba.
Well, another short break, but Ichadi Manini, a Manipuri film released at both. More after the break. Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari.
ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯦꯠ क्वालिटी ꯑꯃꯗꯤ क्वांटिटीꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯍꯧ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯀꯨꯞꯄ ꯃꯔꯣꯜꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡꯕ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ
lamjingba jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Ichadi Manini, a film produced by Ningthaujam Malakumari and directed by Geet Jumnam, was released at both yesterday. President of Film Forum of Manipur S. Mangoljau, member of Changangai Jila Parishad Senam Marjid and Ingudam Rajan were the main guests at the event. Senam Marjid, who attended the function as chief guest, said it is a proud moment that Manipuri films have become increasingly popular in other states too. He further said that the members from the crew to artists have played an immense role in completing the film. Manipuri actress Hizam Bala plays the female lead role while Amar plays the male lead role. Artists like Idho, Reena, Prameshwari, Thoinau are also in the movie.
Pampaksida Manipuri Zati kumlabliba film sina entire Northeast state mafam kharada aduki matik lapa kanda aikoigi film si yaure eko kaina khanjaba kanda akoina haraujaba numaiba akoina phongdoksei
Hai film si soidana yamna nungaiba yamna phaba film ama Manipur leimai ge sanam oigani na mayam punna yeminar kanda film si ba phapata mayam suggestion tawbiu
मसी याम सेंग वफमने तसेंगना हारबदा फिल्म यंगबगी चांगदी हानदगी याम खितनते याम थीना हंदरे मरोमदा कया समाइना सुबनगी टिकेट लुपा चाम पीरगा बो येंगबदा वारे हजिकसे अदुगा पुथोक्सरिबा खोइजु तसेंगना हारबदा वारे हादि फिल्म यंगबगी चांग वालाबनिना अदु मसी करिगी ओइदोंनो अदुदि तसेंगबा इजु हामबो ओइबनिना कया थोइनादि खंगद्रे
On to some sports news now. Manipur Amateur Karate Association, MAKA, felicitated 17 players and 2 officials who took part in the 5th International Karate Championship 2019 organized by All India Seisinkai Sito Ryu Karate Do Federation under the supervision of Karate Association of India, held at Netaji Indoor Stadium, Kolkata from July 26th to 28th. Members of MAKA and family members of the team felicitated the players at Imphal International Airport this morning. 54 players and 10 officers from Manipur took part in the competition, in which Manipur brought home 14 gold medals, 18 silver medals and 21 bronze medals. The team was led by Shiham Mutum Bankim. Technical Director of Karate Association of India, Kiran Kumar Thangjam, stated that the competition was a good platform for the players who had missed the chance to participate in national and international events. 29th All Manipur Shooting Competition 2019 kicks off at Kumal Lampak Shooting Range today. YAS, Arts and Culture, Science and Technology, CIF and PD Commissioner IAS Bobby Waikhom, Social Worker Bikram Huidrom, General Secretary of Manipur State Panchayat Parishad and President of Manipur Rifle Association M. Rajendra Singh presided over the function. The event was attended by shooters and guardians. After the formal function was over, an official practice session for the competition was conducted. Speaking to Tom TV, President of Manipur Rifle Association M. Rajendra expressed resentment over the exclusion of shooting from Commonwealth Games and inclusion of 3 more events. A letter has been submitted in this regard by the National Rifles Association, he added.
Shooting si yaw dawi aroy. Commonwealth Game da haiba duda koi support jaraga Indian Olympic Association da koi na kan amuk pressure pijani Indian Olympic Association na amuk India ki sports mantri da akan pressure dugi mathang da India na amuk Commonwealth country sing sida karigi yaw dribno maram piu haidana maram di shooting si lok thoga moi ban ahum hapsing gani haina koi poktai madugi ding na koi nuai tab saduna asa khitang tawi madudi akhoi gi India ki pressure se soidana कोई के कमरवेल की ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी ना ताबी गनी है ना आशा तवी
Ahaiba Loop Assam Hojai released 7 books during a function at Manipuri Parishad Sanglen, Rampur Hojai. Khongzom War, Nonglei Ama Manglan Ani and Lamdam Sida Leibak Sida written by Laishom Golab, Saiho Saidam Puya and Chonglon Mapal Wangmadasu by Thangjam Amar Angom, Chamlabi Thamoi by Yumnam Renuka and Inungi Thaja, a book compiled by Ahaiba Loop Assam, were released during the program. Thaudam Baba Tombi, Sanskrit Pandit Moyangthem Khelemba Sastri, Sahitya Bhushan Larigengbam, Shruti Kumar, Laitonjam Nila, Dr. Asarani Kesham, Hemchandra and Mutum Bandana of Sibsagar attended the program. Recitation and presentation of songs were held as part of the function.
इतिहास की लड़ाईदा अमदी मनुंग चन्ना ओइबा मगई पुनमक्तगी सिंगलबा अकोई सागईदी सिंगबा मरोल से जागे बनी असिगे जिगा इमा मतई रंगा मतई मणिपुरी रंगा सम्ना इजबानी आइहा के सरेंग से
अदुना मयाम पुनमकी पुंग से सौगतपो ओइना आइबा लुपसे थोक्चरकनी अदुना आयाम मतमदा अखोइना खोमजन बवारी मसागुंबा सेरेंगुमना सिंगबसे खोय फुंगदोइ रखोइ लमलम सिदा लेरिबा मियाम सिदा सो अखोइना मेसेज अमा पिनिंगी आइबा लुकी माइगीदेगी अदुदी इबिउ पाबिउ नैनबिउ हाइबसे आई थमजरी.
Now let's have a look at today's newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Paddy cultivations over 56,000 hectare wither. Baby Sana case. Public meet demands. Special investigation probe. Tripartite talk put off. UNC sticks to its gun. Mary Com wins gold ahead of World Championships. Formalities completed to hand over case to CBI, says IGP. High Court suspends seniority list of MPS officers. Imphal Free Press. Police will continue investigating Baby Sana's mysterious death case. Student bodies can solve the mystery within 2 days, says Ansu. Government must disclose investigation report by July 31st. Regulatory guidelines for boarding hostels must be implemented within 1 month. Tripartite talks postponed. Imphal Ziribam Road reconnected. The People's Chronicle. Special investigation team probing case. New sections to be added if needed, says IGP. Meet raises poses on Baby Sana's death. Demands prof report within July 31st. Minister Jayantakumar pleads for eliminating hepatitis C by 2030. Janims yearning for better facilities. Manipur Mail. More forces creating ominous uncertainty in Jammu and Kashmir, says Yachuri. Jayantakumar launches hepatitis program. Mary Com wins gold at President's Cup.
And before we wind up the top news stories once again. Protest continues unabated in Manipur over mysterious death of Baby Sana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi features in Benjamin Netanyahu's election campaign in Israel. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.